Hey guys, it's Daj here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because as you can see by the title, this is going to be Spooktorial Season 5, Episode 1. I'm so excited to be doing this series again and also this episode. As you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a Glam Spongebob makeup tutorial. I feel like this idea is just so cute and like quirky, and I just really wanted to do SpongeBob in a way that's like super glam and super like silly but also pretty, if that makes sense. So I'm so excited to be doing Spooktorial again. Cue the dancing skeletons, all the spooky stuff, the blood, all that stuff. If you guys want to see me achieve my glam SpongeBob makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. I don't know what color eyeshadow I want to do. I was thinking about doing blue because his eyes are blue, and that'll bring in like some blue into it. Take a shot every time I say blue. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna prime my eyes with some concealer. I'm gonna do it kind of like low on the lid just so you can't see it. I blended down the yellow pretty far, but once I go in with eyeshadow you won't be able to see it, the concealer. I'm gonna take some pressed powder and just go over everything. Okay, and I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette. I'm gonna take the first blue from that palette on a BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush. I'm just gonna blend that into the crease. Okay, and now I'm gonna take a M441 brush and I'm gonna take the third blue from that palette and just put that lower into the crease. Now I'm going to cut the crease with some concealer. I'm going to do a half cut crease. Now I'm going to take a white eyeshadow on a big flat brush and just set that cut crease with that. I'm going to take the first blue in that palette and just blend out the outer corner, the outer part of the half cut crease. I'm gonna do a black wing eyeliner. I'm gonna do my other eye really quickly. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to face, and obviously we're gonna just put like yellow all over our face. So first we're gonna take this CC Beauty 12 color flash palette. I don't have much yellow left, so I'll probably move over to another palette like as well, but I'm just gonna put some on my face. And now on a big flat brush, we're going to take the white from the CC Beauty palette and put it under my eyes. I'm also going to put it on my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Basically everywhere where you would put concealer. I'm going to set everywhere I put that white with some powder. I'm not gonna set the whole face yet because we're gonna do some contouring. I'm gonna take some yellow on the back of my hand and mix it in with a little bit of brown. Now we're gonna set my face with some yellow eyeshadow. I'm gonna take some orange and just blush with that. Now we're gonna take a S.5EP.1 brush. I'm gonna take the third green. In the Makeup Revolution palette, and we're just gonna create little circles on our face. We're also gonna take some of that brown, just go over the circles, just to darken them up some. So now we're gonna do our under eye. And for our under eye, we're basically just gonna take the second blue from that palette. And pop that under the eye. And for lips, we're gonna take a brown lip liner. So I'm gonna take the NYX Liquid Suede lip liner in the shade Downtown Beauty. I'm gonna put on a lash. I don't know if I want to do like an extra big lash or if I just want to do like a small lash. I mean, it's Halloween. So let's go big. Oh my god. No, we're not doing these ones. These ones are way too big. And I made this. Stop. Isn't that so cute? Okay. So I'm gonna go off camera, put on like, you know, the finishing touches, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished Glam Spongebob makeup look. I love it so much. I think it's so cute. I think it's so silly and fun. I just feel like, I don't know, because it's like SpongeBob and it's not like drawing on like the big eyes and like making your eyes look like 3D. You know how like people do that? I think that's super cool. I didn't really want to go that route. I just wanted to do like a simple glam SpongeBob makeup look. So yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload, especially if you like Halloween-y, Spooktorial type videos, because all October we're going to be doing Spooktorial, like obviously this video is, which is where we do Halloween-y makeup videos. I always say I give you guys the makeup and you guys come up with like the costumes and all that stuff. I mean, I do make like headpieces and all that good stuff, but as far as like costuming and like wigs and stuff like that, I don't really do that. But you could do like a yellow wig to like draw it all together. This still looks cute. Like I would still definitely go out like this, get a tie, get a spatula, all that good stuff. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It will also be in the description box down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to watch my other Spooktorial seasons, those will be linked down below. And yeah, I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.